Mr. James McMahon of the Climate Service, Mr. Felix Aike of Comunidad, Dr. Rodel Lasco, Ms. Mariana Vargas Morada, and Catherine Sarmiento of OML Center, Knowledge Exchange Partners, National Resilience Council and the RISE Philippines members, and members of the organizing team, participants, colleagues, and friends, good morning. At the onset, allow me to congratulate the Oscar M. Lopez Center for successfully holding this third OML Legacy Lectures, a timely initiative as nations prepare for the conduct of the 2023 United Nations Climate Change Conference, or COP28, happening in November. The findings of the IPCC's sixth assessment cycle summarize key findings from the world's leading climate scientists. That is a reiteration of what we already know so far. And these are: first, climate crisis is real. Second, climate change presents as the greatest threat to lives, economies, and socio-cultural, ecological, and other vulnerabilities of the countries. Third, its impacts are becoming more frequent and more severe, some of which can possibly be irreversible. Fourth, human activities contribute to the worsening climate. And last but not the least, we deem it urgent because we only have a little time left before we blow past our climate threshold of 1.5 degrees Celsius by 2030. With these realities, the global pursuit of climate resilience and sustainability is becoming a huge undertaking, and governments agree that it will only be possible with the help of the private sector. In many situations, we've seen how the private sector is taking the lead in terms of climate action. Their capacity to mobilize and invest helps governments operate more efficiently and establish systems that foster ambitious and sustainable business practices. But for the private sector to meaningfully participate in this global call for action, they need to first know what risks climate change poses in their organization, how they can manage these risks, and how they can make use of the readily available climate science in their corporate decision-making to ensure long-term sustainability and resilience. We are truly grateful for your active participation in this activity. We have seen how you insights and learned from their best practices. This is a testament to your commitment and an indication that we are headed towards the right path. But more than knowledge exchange, I hope that this event has provided you with an understanding that will help you leverage the increasing availability of climate science. Use this knowledge to assess risks and opportunities specific to your businesses and effectively integrate climate change considerations into your current and future business strategies and financial planning. After all, this is the objective of this event. As we end this session, I hope that we can continue learning from each other, supporting initiatives, and sharing strategies to find common good. Maraming salamat and magandang umaga sa inyong lahat.